How to buy Voidwalker token. So this token, it came under the symbol of Void, as you can see here in the X account. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, go and find it on Dick Screener. As you can see, this token, it's available there. Now, to be able to buy this token, but before that, as you can see, this token, it's increased by almost 1000% in the last 24 hours. Now, as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's mean your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And after that, as you can see, this token is under the Solana network. Now go and open your funds wallet for that and click on swap. And after that, make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address as you can see here. After that, as you can see, this is our token. Just click on it. Now type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. And you will see here how much you will receive. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter. Make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now after that, if you face any issues, just go back to this page, click here and switch the slippage or customize. After that, go and buy this token. You will face any issue. So this is how to buy the Voidwalker token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.